Hello, is it me you're looking for? Alright, so it's a different day, but today we're going to be working on the bike. We're going to be replacing the battery, we're going to be doing a nut and bolt check, and we're going to be putting some gas in it, adjusting some levers. Pretty much that's it. I would like to get a new shift rod in, but I think that's too much work. Number one thing to do is just replace the battery now. First thing, in order to replace the battery with track bikes, you have to figure out what the battery is, since like most people for like track bikes don't use the stock size. Best part is this is actually a Ducati tail from what I'm told. The sticker's coming apart, but yeah, this is a Ducati tail, which is pretty cool. And the guy made it like super easy to access everything. You just take off these 3 bolts here and you're Gucci. You know, you would be Gucci, not Louis. Huh? God, I'm gonna kill myself.
You're so ugly you could be a modern art masterpiece.
Alright, after much work, we got the battery out. This thing is heavy as hell. Alright, so before we go to Walmart and get the battery and like Lowe's and get the thing, I'm super hungry. Can't stop thinking about food. I don't know why. Alright, we got lucky. There is no line at Taco Bell. It's just like 3 cars ahead. Hey, how's it going, man? Can I bother you for a 7-layer burrito?
Or 7-layer burrito?
Yeah, 7-layer burrito. Can I get it with no cheese and no sour cream?
Okay.
Fire. Got the battery. It's pretty fresh. Yeah. God, I'm tired. Alright, so check this out. Motorcycle batteries are different than car batteries, especially the way you install them. You have to put this thing underneath. There's the bolt, and then you have to put like a little square nut underneath, and it's so annoying to deal with. Somehow they figured it out in this one. I got so excited about how it looks. Like I forgot to actually put the I forgot to put the positive over it. I was just so happy that they finally figured something out, because it used to suck ass. You kind of just like drop it in there, so you push it in there and then it will drop down, and then it kind of just sits there. You find the bolt and you just start screwing, and they have these little squares around it, so it kind of just tightens itself down. Just try to guide it right, and this is like life-changing. I hated changing motorcycle batteries. I mean, I still do, because you got to take out a lot more than a car, but like this is pretty sick, man. Alright, it's all installed. Now we test it out before we put everything back together. Okay, lights pop up. Bike is in neutral. Maybe no choke.